Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw, umayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Binabati ko ang Siklablaya Class of 2025 ng Philippine Military Academy sa inyong pagtatapos. Kinikilala natin ang lalim ng inyong pagmamahal sa bayan na una na ninyong pinamalas nung pinili ninyong pumasok sa PMA. You have chosen the life of selfless service that only the brave, the courageous, and the real patriot would choose, demonstrating strength, integrity, and honor before a nation seeking to overcome institutional abuse of power and extreme inequalities impacting mostly the poor. Lagi sana kayong maging instrumento na magsusulong ng kabutihan, ng tama, ng katotohanan, at tunay na pagbabago sa buhay ng mga Pilipinong patuloy na nangangarap, nagsusumikap, at umaasang magtatagumpay. Huwag sana kayong maging kasangkapan ng pagmamalabis, pagtatraidor, at pagpapahirap ng mga nasa kapangyarihan sa mga kapwa Pilipino na katulad ninyo ay matapang na naninindigan para sa kabutihan, sa tama, sa katotohanan, at sa tagumpay ng mga Pilipino. Sa inyong paglilingkod ay magsisiklab hindi lamang ang mga minimithi natin bilang isang malayang bansa, kundi pati na rin ang pagliliyab at paglagablab ng ating lakas upang maging tunay na malaya. I trust that you will continue to personify the virtues that shaped your military education and enabled you to become commendable cadets with courage, integrity, and loyalty to your noble path of duty. Keep the fervor within you burning and continue building a bright future amid every hurdle and challenge in these times of uncertainty, so you may stand as a beacon of hope and strength to our hopeful nation. May you always strive to restore and uphold the values of an independent, non-partisan, and professional institution, one whose sole duty is to defend the Constitution. May you never yield to the greed for material gain, political pressure, or foreign influence. May you always stand unbowed. Congratulations, Siklablaya Class of 2025. Shukran.